love dogs. Let's draw a start here. A little bit like that. That'll be the top of Scooby-Doo's head. Like that. Line up here like this. These will be his ears, just like this. And then like that. And then what we're going to do is bring that around like that. Up here like that. And then Scooby-Doo's back of his head will be here. And his nice long neck will be there. This is looking nice, everybody. Now what we can do is we can draw Scooby-Doo's nose a little bit. We'll start right here. A little peaky bit there like that. If you got that, then we'll come down like here. There's his lip. Coming around like that. There's the other bit of his lip. We'll bring it on up like that for a big old smile from Scooby. And a little grin. Looking good. Now we can draw his eyes in. Round bits for his eyes, right like that. Continue his nose bit for his eye there. Looking good. Give him some pupils so he's looking over this way at us. Very nice. Let's not forget some eyebrows. Scooby-Doo's got lovely eyebrows here, sitting right on the top of his head like that. That looks good. And we can bring his other ear up here from this eyebrow here. Up one like that. A little squiggly bit like that. And down. And the middle part like that. Very nice, everybody. This is looking very good. Now we can give him a nose. Scooby-Doo's nose is really just kind of a triangle like this and like that. This is looking very nice. Now we'll bring the bottom of his jaw up like this. There's his jaw, his chin like that. Bring that on up like that and like that. Give him a couple of dots here and some cheek whiskers. Looking lovely, everybody. Now what we can do is continue his neck down like this. And this side here like that. Very nice. Let's give him a collar. There's his collar, right like that. Swing it around like this. That like that. Here we go. Looking good. Little emblem on his collar like this. That looks nice. And finish the collar off like that. I like it. Looking good, everyone. Now what we can do is the rest of his body. So let's bring his shoulder bit down like this. And this will be his arm here. The front leg, I should say. Bring that on down like that. Maybe do about here. Looking good. Just to the bottom of the page. There we go. And then we can bring the other side of his leg down, his front leg down. Straight line all the way down like that. Looking nice, everybody. And what we can do is give him some paws now. So let's do this right about here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bring them around like this. And up like that. Very nice. And just finish the lines down like that, just so they meet. Very good, everyone. Now we can bring the bottom of his body down like that. This is looking nice. And then his hind leg will come up like this. Just like that. And his other foot will be right about here, like this. 1, 2, 3. And we'll bring his fourth paw like that. Around like this. Bring that one up like that. Continue his paw bits like that. And a little line there to join it all up. Looking good, everybody. I'm liking this. Now his chest is gonna come over here like this. Very good, everyone. Scooby-Doo always likes to stick his chest out a bit. Just right there, right in about the middle. And then what we can do is bring this other front leg down like this, and we'll join them up with this paw here. There we go, looking very nice. Bring that all the way down like that. Have you got that? All right, now we can draw this paw. 1, 2, 3 here, a little bit there, and round it off like that. Join those paw bits up like that. Looking good. And now we can draw this final hind leg back here like this. Like that. And then his paw out like this. Very good. And bring those on down. I like it. Give him a tail. Let's not forget the Scooby-Doo tail. Very nice, everyone. Oh, I think this is fantastic. Couple of dots on his fur. There. Maybe one on his hind bit there. Looking good, everybody. It's Scooby-Doo. I like it. Let's get to the color. Scooby-Doo has brown fur, pink ears, a blue collar, a yellow tag, black nose, eyes, and spots. Thanks, everyone.